Thank you for your purchase of the T-Rex Racing Center Stand. The center stands are made of 21mm, 25mm steel tubing and finished in black powder coat. The center stand does not affect the lean angle or ground clearance. Please feel free to email us at customerservice@t-rex-racing.com or call 972-243-7868 if you have any questions before install. Necessary tools. From the right side of the bike. Remove the bolts as shown by using the 14mm socket. Remove the bolts as shown by using the 12mm socket. Install the bracket as shown by using the M8 bolts. Hand tighten the bolt at this point only. Install the M8 bolt with the washer as shown by carefully using your hands. Tighten the bolts to the manufacturer's specification. In general, they are about 12 to 15 foot-pounds for 8mm bolts. Tighten the M8 bolts to about 15 foot-pounds by using the 6mm hex key. Apply some grease on the steel pins. Install the center stand by using the steel pins. Install the 10mm bolt as shown by carefully using your hands. Tighten the M10 bolts to about 35 foot-pounds by using the 17mm wrench. Install the spring by using M8 bolts. Tighten the M8 bolts to about 15 foot-pounds by using the 13mm wrench. After install,